How to fix Amazon Prime Video error code 5256. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to fix it. Let's get started. First of all, you need to know that error code 5256, it usually means a playback issue. So the first method to fix it is you can simply check the internet connection speed. Make sure that you have stable internet speed. The next method is you can clear the cache memory of the app. You can tap and hold on this Prime Video app icon and open up the app's info page. In this page, scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see the storage option, tap on it. Now in the bottom right corner, you can see the clear cache option, tap on it. If you want to completely reset the app, you can even try this clear data option and select this delete option. It will delete all the corrupt files in this app. The third method to fix it is, if you have any VPN or proxy installed, you have to disable your VPN. You can turn it off and try to stream again. It might fix your issues. And another way is to update your Prime Video app. For that, you can go to your Play Store. Now search for Amazon Prime Video app. Open up the app space. And over here, instead of this open button, you might see the update option. If you did, you can simply update the app. After that, you will have the latest version of the app. After trying out these various methods, you will be able to fix the Amazon Prime Video error code 5256. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.